Nigerian genius.
Here is Team FUTMINNA. So far, we have been going smoothly, despite with small challenges. We have been going smoothly, and one of the things we enjoy most is the human resources. We have mentors around that always check on us to see how progressively we are going. Yeah, presentation we had this morning, I think it's all about the progress of our work, the progress of this main project, which we're able to tell them that we are at least at 90 to 95%.
The security part is not like the machine have to carry some weapon. The security part is just to like serve or replace the farmer. Instead of the farmer being in the farm, the machine will be in the farm doing the job while the farmer is at home, overseeing the movement or the affair of the machine in the farm. So that is the security part.
And we are actually going far. If you can see here is our robot that we are on the project, and we are trying to assemble some part, and that is why we remove some part like this now, because we are trying to work on the assembly so that it should now work accordingly as expected. And the robot is to perform a multiple task. Yes, in the sense that it will clear, it will harrow, it will plant, and it will equally cover the plant, and some other things that is required in the farm, because we are considering an intruder, and also we are considering the farm moisture level for the plants to grow well. All those factors, we are putting them in place, and there are some other things that we are going to also consider for these machines to perform in order to have a beautiful outcome, because the objective of this machine is actually to serve a purpose that will replace the farmers. So there are features that we want to incorporate in this, so that the farmers will be at home and at the same time have peace of mind. I think that will cover for their security, because they will not be exposed to the X-Men. Actually, our interest or our objective is not just for a particular region. It covers all, because there is nowhere in the country today that farmers are not exposed to insecurity. So this machine is to serve a purpose of farmers generally anywhere in the nation, is supposed. And no matter the terrain, it will follow, whether rocky area, sandy area, moldy area. This machine is designed to overcome all those challenges and perform its tasks. finished, because now what is remaining in the project is just start assembling. Yes, and we are still forming some parts. So without we are still forming some parts, which is we are going to use the 3D printing machine to form those parts. These are kind of the things that we're actually like that is our challenge, that we cannot meet up with the assembling for now. And our plan is to see how we can finish this before tomorrow or by tomorrow. Fully prepared for tomorrow, but just hoping we don't have any obstacle this night, because there are still some things that we really need to put in this machine in order to make it the structure incorporated one, like in order, in order to, yeah, there are things we really need to put. We just hope that we don't have those challenges, so that before the next day we should be able to meet up with those things and put the machine in order for the demo presentation. Yes, I'll be giving a shout out to the organizers of this program, that is the Nigerian Genius, and also to Clintonel Center. I'm very, very happy for this kind of opportunity. And I wish I continue having this kind of exposure as my engineering life continues. And yeah, it will be a very great concept for us, or for me, to learn more and to come out as a great engineer, because it has ever, like, always my passion to be a great engineer. Lastly, I would say I appreciate the support that is coming from outside this place, that is our fans. Just keep on supporting, and we'll keep trying our best to make sure we come out as the winner. Thank you very much.
The Nigerian Genius.